We will demonstrate in this video how to create an account on the Health Wealth Safe app. Search Health Wealth Safe on the App Store or Google Play Store. Download it and open it. Now click on Create Account. Click Next. Add your first name. Add your last name. Choose your date of birth and click Confirm. Now write your email address. Here provide your phone number. Choose any one option and click Next. Enter the code. Select your gender and click Next. Now create your username and password. Now select the security question. Type your answer and check the Terms of Services and Privacy Policy checkbox. Sign the consent form and click Sign Up to complete the account creation process. Now enter your username and password to log in to the app.